Hey everyone! Today, we're going to tackle one of those tiny, super annoying life problems with a simple 2-minute fix for your Samsung phone. Let's just dive right in.
You know the feeling, right? You plug your phone in, you walk away thinking you're all good, and then you come back hours later only to see you never actually turned the power on at the wall. It is so frustrating.
But what if your phone could talk to you? What if it could literally tell you, hey, I'm charging? Well, if you're a Samsung user, it absolutely can. And seriously, it is so easy to set up.
Okay, so the secret weapon here is a feature that's already on your phone. It's called Modes and Routines. You've probably seen it buried in your settings menu and just ignored it. But trust me, today we're going to make it do something awesome for us. So what even is this thing? Well, think of it like setting up a simple rule for your phone. It's all based on an if this, then that logic. So if something happens, like say you plug in your charger, then your phone automatically does something else that we tell it to do.
All right, you ready? Let's actually build this routine. I promise this will take you no time at all. Our whole goal here is just to get the phone to speak to us when it starts charging.
Okay, first up is the if part. This is the trigger. What tells the phone when to do something. So just hop into your settings, find Modes and Routines, and then you're going to tap that little plus sign to start a new one. In the if section, just look for charging status. Tap that and choose charging. Boom, done. See? Easy. Now for the fun part. All right, now for the them action. This is what we want the phone to do. We're going to add an action, go into notifications, and then pick show custom notification. Now you can type in whatever you want here for the title and message. But, and this is the most important part, the real magic, you have to toggle on read this notification aloud. That's the key. Make sure that's on, hit done, and then save your new routine.
And that's it. Seriously, you are all done. The entire setup is complete. In just a few taps, you've made a super handy, personalized alert. So, was that 2 minutes of tapping worth it? Oh yeah. Let's talk about what happens now every time you go to charge your phone. From this moment on, every single time you plug your charger in and the power switch is actually on, your phone is going to speak that custom message right back to you. It's just a perfect little fix for one of those tiny things that drive us crazy. What you get is instant, audible proof that everything is working. No more second guessing, and definitely no more waking up to a phone that's at 2%. You'll know for sure that it's charging. And look, this is just scratching the surface of what Modes and Routines can do. It kind of makes you wonder, right? What other little daily hassles could you automate away? Definitely go poke around in that feature and see what you can come up with. And hey, if this little tip helped you out, make sure to follow for more. Thanks for watching.